Let me show you all the figures you get in this little bag. Now, these figurines are guaranteed. They do want you to enjoy them. So if any of them are overly flawed, definitely reach out to Distinctive Style. But here they are. Each one is super detailed, very similar. They sometimes have a little bit of extra plastic on them that you can pop off, but you have a variety of different figurines, from men in suits to men in sweater sitting to even a few of these guys that look like a bit of a hunched over man. And then you have quite a few women. Most of them are wearing nice little dresses. Everything to me has a bit of a 1950s style to it, maybe 60s, but very sweet, simple figurines. You can see on the back where they've probably been hooked to the mold. They have a round circle on the back of each figurine, but they are very consistent. So as you go through, you will find that there's quite a variety of different ones. And I went through the whole bag. I was expecting to have the same amount of each figurine, but as you'll see at the end, you really get kind of an interesting random combination of figurines. Some of them I got a lot of, some not so much. Those two women, I had a little bit of time trying to make sure they weren't the same one. But here you go. I hope this helps.